Sorry. There's got to be some sort of study that says that yawning in exercise is good.
Yeah, it means you need more oxygen.
Because I wasn't yawning because I was bored.
Good to know.
Promise.
10. 3.
That's fine.
Well done. Okay, coming to the mat for the last 3 moves. Oh, so we've got a strict press. So we're sat on our bottoms, nice straight back, shoulder press, alternate 1 and 2.
Go.
Well done. Try and stop at 90 degrees, guys. You've got 25 seconds, that's it. We have 2 finishing core moves.
Oh, okay.
We're done. Yeah?
Yeah.
You find these easier than I do.
Really?
Yeah. Really tough for me, this. 10.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. 3, 2. Okay. Bicycle crunches coming right up.
Oh. These are lovely.
They're just lovely. 2 and 1. Nice and slowly. Don't rush these. Twisting elbow to your knee. Modification is to have your heels on the ground. Lift 1 at a time. Okay.
Where's your other bicycle?
Huh? Where's my bicycle? Where's your bicycle?
Here, it's rowing.
Okay, 10 seconds.
I think those pigeons are judging us.
God, they are. Oh my goodness. That's good. 3, 2, 1. One more move. What do you want the final move to be?
Just a lie down, breathing, exercise.